มาการขุนเขาคันนี้นังตรงปันตีเขารักวงรำเจียนให้กล้วยนะลุงกล้วยเราต้องมีสุดเดียวตัวนี้ก็มาสาวเรานี่มีตั้งที Listen to our hearts. How do you explain? How do you describe a love that goes from east to west and runs as deep as it is wide? You know all her hopes, Lord, you know all her fears. Words cannot express the love we feel, but we long for you to hear. So listen to our hearts, hear our spirits sing a song of praise that flows from those you have redeemed. Yeah. We will use the words we know to tell you what an awesome God you are. The words are never enough to tell you of love, so listen to our heart. If words could fall like rain from these leaves of mine, if I have 1,000 words, I would still run out of time. But if you listen to my heart, every bit will say, thank you for the love, thank you for the way, thank you for the truth. So listen to our hearts, hear our spirits sing a song of praise that flows from those you have redeemed. We will use the words we know to tell you what an awesome God you are. Words are never enough to tell you of love, so listen to our heart. Words are never enough to tell you of love, so listen to our